GAF Inspect is an intuitive iPad app developed exclusively for GAF Certified Maintenance Professionals, or CMPs, to make the roof inspection workflow quick and easy. Start by clicking the GAF Inspect app icon on your home screen, where you'll be prompted for your service code, username, and password. There are 3 possible service codes to enter depending on the type of inspection you are doing. GAF Test is a practice database where GAF has set up practice work orders for you to use to get accustomed to using GAF Inspect. GAF 123 is the live database that you will be using for all of your official well roof inspections. DTL 123 is the live database that you will use for any non-well roof inspections. When logging in with your username and password, make sure your information is correct and then click the Login button. Once you are logged in, first click on the Work Orders button and then the My Work Orders button at the top of the page. You will then see all of your scheduled inspection work orders. To select a work order, just click it. Here you will see all of the details for that particular building location. To get information on that building's contact, click on the Contact Info button and the screen will provide the name and phone number for the building's contact. To get directions to the job site, click the green icon next to the address to see the building's location on Google Maps. Once the map is open, you can click on the pinpoint icon and your device will provide you directions to the site. To begin the inspection, scroll downward on the screen and click on the green Start Checklist Process button. The first step of the inspection process is to take a photo of the front of the building. There are 2 ways to add photos to the report. Take one using your device's camera or select from existing photos that are already on your device. To take a new photo using your device's camera, press the lower left camera icon and your device's camera will automatically open. After you've taken the photo, you have the option to use the photo or retake it. If you want to choose a photo you have already taken, click on the Camera Roll button to the right and then choose the photo that you would like to add by simply clicking on the photo. When you are done adding the front of building photo, click the Advance arrow in the upper right-hand corner to move on to the next step. The building areas portion of the inspection is not required by GAF, but if you want to add additional information about the roof, you can do so here. If you do not wish to do so, click the Advance arrow in the upper right-hand corner. Now you are at the beginning of the inspection. Here is where you see what you will need to be checking for. Once you have completed this step on the roof, click the Checked button. To add comments, just click the Comments section where you can enter comments in 3 different ways. The first method is by simply typing a comment with your keyboard. The second way is to use the Talk to Text function by clicking the microphone icon in the lower left-hand corner of your keyboard and speaking into your device. The third way is to use the search function that allows you to select from a list of preset comments quickly and easily. There are 3 options to select depending on the type of roof that you are inspecting. BM for built-up roofing and mod-bit roofs, E for EPDM, and T for TPO and PVC. Click the magnifying glass icon and enter the corresponding code into the search bar. You will then see a list of comment codes. Click on the one you want and it will be added to the comments section automatically. Once you have finished making comments, click on the Done button in the upper right-hand corner. With GAF Inspect, you can upload photos at any point during the inspection by clicking on the Upload Photos button. You can add photos with the camera and camera roll icons in the bottom left corner the same way as you did for the front of the building. You can add comments to your photos by clicking the space to the right of the image and entering your comment into the description box. After you have added all the photos and comments that you want, click the Upload button in the upper right-hand corner to add them to the report. The light bulb icon to the right of each image will turn from yellow to green, indicating that you have successfully added those images to the report. To delete a photo, click the gray checkbox button to the upper left-hand corner of each photo you want to delete. Then, click the trash can icon at the bottom of the page. Once you are done selecting photos, click the back arrow to return to the inspection item. When you have completed that inspection step, click the Done button in the upper right-hand corner. At this point, the checklist item is completed and you are ready to move on to the next step. Continue to follow these easy steps for each additional item on the inspection report. After a step is completed, GAF Inspect allows you 2 ways to navigate through your inspection checklist. The first is to click on the navigation arrows at the top corners of the screen. Or if you want to skip back and forth between steps, click and drag the slide bar at the top of the screen. If you want to go back to a previous step to make changes, be sure to hit the Edit icon in the upper right-hand corner. This will open up that checklist item and allow you to make changes. After you have completed the inspection checklist, you will be at the Additional Photos page, where you can upload any additional photos you want. To add photos, click on the green Upload Photos button to either take new photo with your device or add existing ones you've already taken from your camera roll. When you are done, hit the Advance arrow in the upper right-hand corner. The next page is where you can update your work order status and date. To do so, click and scroll through the Work Order Status and Work Order Status Date menus and select your entry. Click the blue check bar and the Done button in the upper right to complete your selection. Click on the Advance arrow to go to the final step. To download the report, click the Download icon in the upper right-hand corner. Select Download Report, and GAF Inspect will compile and provide you a finalized version of your inspection report to review. Make sure that you repeat the report download step if you make any edits to ensure your changes are reflected in the revised report. If you want to print or email the report, just hold your finger down on the screen for a few seconds and a menu will open, giving you an option to either print or email the report. Select Email, and a PDF copy of the report will automatically attach to an email that you can send out. If you have any questions regarding GAF Inspect, please email us at tipsfromtim@gaf.com or call us at 1-866-ROOF-411.